Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, I am going to talk about the sealed classes in C Sharp. So let's dive right into the C Sharp sealed classes. In C Sharp, a sealed class is basically is a class that cannot be inherited. Okay, this means no other class can derive from a sealed class. So basically, we are using the seed classes to avoid the inheritance in C sharp programming language. Now, let's we move directly towards the uh, development environment. I am using Visual Studio 2022, and as you know, I am just using a very simple console application, right? Now, I am here in the program.cs. Now, let's me define here a seed class, and then we will see whether we can uh, inherit other classes from this seed class or not. Now, the class name will be like public, and then we are using the seed keyword, right? And then the class keyword, in C sharp, if you want to define class, then we use the class keyword. And then let's suppose the class name is my class, right? And here in this class I will just define a very simple method. This method will not return any type, any data, or you can say that the return type is void. Okay, and let's me give a name to the method. The method name will be display message. So I am just defining a very simple class. The class is sealed class, and here inside the class there is a very simple function display message. Now let's me just write to the console message, mm, hello from a sealed class, right? Now I have defined a sealed class. It is the syntax. Now let's we use this class uh, in our another class. Now I will try to define another class. Let's suppose public class, class my class 2. Okay, and I will try to inherit this class from my class. Okay, now I define here another class. The class name is my class 2. It is a simple class, and I am trying to inherit that class for my class. And you can see that it giving me the compile time error. My class 2 can't derive from seed type my class. It's mean that I can't inherit the my class 2 from my class because I define the my class as a seed class, right? Now, if I just remove this sealed keyword, this compile time error will gone. Now let's me remove this keyword. Now you can see that the error gone, and now I can inherit other classes from my class. Now Control Z, because I want that this class should not be apparent class of any other class. No other class should be inherited from these my class. That is why I use sealed keywords. And you can see that it gave me the compile time error, and the program will not execute it. So uh, and that is the basic thing about the seed class in C sharp. It prevent other classes from inheriting from them, ensuring your class implementation remains unchanged. Okay, it is the benefit. For example, you want that the class implementation don't change at any cost in other classes, then just declare the class as a seed class. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. See you next time with a new topic of this series. Thank you.